This is crazy. This 2004 Jefferson nickel sold for over $4,000. It sold for $4,230 to be exact. A lot of us are familiar with this 2004 piece metal quarter. The reason this coin sold for $4,230 is exactly this. So this coin was graded by PCGS, a mint state 68. Now if you have a lot of these quarters and they're in really nice condition, it may be worth sending off to get graded, but realize this. If your coin doesn't grade this highly, it's not going to bring this much money. The chances of you getting a mint state 68 grade is really challenging. If you have a coin and you want to know how much it's worth, make sure you continue doing the research necessary to make sure you know that your coins are worth a certain amount and you don't get scammed or ripped off when you go ahead and sell your coins. Again, being able to find a coin like this in a coin collection given to you from a friend or a family member, you have a higher probability of that than you do of hitting the lottery. Please keep that in mind, but obviously nothing is guaranteed. I just do this for fun. It's a fun thing to go around looking for these coins that are in nice condition. It's really challenging, but sometimes you'll come across a coin like this and this person got incredibly lucky. Who knows, maybe they sent hundreds of coins off to get graded before they got the 68 grade. Collectors will pay a lot of money if they know that they have the best coin, the highest graded coin. They're going to pay a premium. I do not recommend you buying a coin like this for this much money. This is for the top end dealers who want to pay specifically for a coin like this, but it is possible to send your coin off to get graded and it grades this highly. It is just pretty challenging to do. Make sure if you find a coin like this that you keep it safe, don't get it damaged, because each grade difference lower will decrease the value significantly. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next video.